Now just taking your seat and getting comfortable.
Breathe in deeply and find your inner peace.
Allowing the body to relax as best you can, but seeing if you can sit in a way that brings some degree of focus or poise into the body as well. Just kind of experimenting with what that would feel like in the body.
Breathe in deeply and find your inner peace.
If you prefer to leave your eyes open, just letting the gaze rest somewhere in front of you, not searching around the room. Or just closing the eyes completely. And just sitting here, allowing the chair to fully support the weight of your body, but keeping some degree of lifted quality or focus quality in the body as well. Not fully slouching. And now, as a way of really beginning to focus the mind, we're going to count our exhalations only, letting the inhalations happen as they will. And just counting the exhalations up to 5, and then starting over from 1 again. Allowing the inhalations to just happen, focusing the mind on the counting of the exhalations. Giving the counting of your exhalations your full attention.